Joining me now is Jaime Puerta, Victims Against Illicit Drugs. Jaime, thanks for being with us. We have this fentanyl pouring over the southern border in record numbers. The number of people dying from this being covered up by the fake news every day because they don't want to admit that the fentanyl is coming from Joe Biden's immigration policies, which is basically an open border policy to get more voters in to vote for the Dems. What is exactly the situation here, Jaime?
Last year, we had 71,611 drug deaths attributed to fentanyl. And what's happening is these criminal cartel organizations are pressing counterfeit or fake pills made to look exactly like Percocets, Xanax, oxycodones, Adderall, which is widely consumed in colleges across the nation so that kids can study more and focus more. But what they don't know is when they reach out to a drug dealer on Snapchat, for example, and connect with that drug dealer, and that drug dealer then sells them what they think is a pharmaceutical grade pill, and in all reality is a fake pill made of fentanyl. 4 out of 10 of those pills are lethal and they end up dying, which is why we see these record numbers of deaths across the nation. It is absolutely insidious. And quite frankly, they haven't really been able to stop the flow of these drugs into the United States due to the fact that it's a minuscule amount of fentanyl that is needed to really make these pills. So we have a huge problem here in the United States. It's not only affecting people who are within the substance use community, but definitely affecting adolescents between the ages of 11 or teens or preteens or teens between the ages of 11 and 18 years of age who want to either self-medicate, because we have a lot of mental health issues in the United States with these teens, or they want to try drugs for the first time. They want to experiment. They want to reach out. They find the pill that they want to take. They take it, and unfortunately, they die. It's a very unfortunate situation. 60% of all the fentanyl that's coming in through into the country is coming in through San Diego, and that's where it's being interdicted. We have 342 points of entry into the United States that Customs and Border Patrol are in charge of, but yet 60% is coming in through the southern border, John. And it doesn't seem to be letting up. These numbers are for the first semester of 2022 are looking very tragic as well. And we haven't been able to abate this problem at all. It just continues and continues.